In this video, we will show you how to create a new foundation for a stronger marriage than ever before, even after infidelity. And you can do that in just 90 days with our proven ACT relationship blueprint.
You may feel your relationship is damaged beyond repair and can never be trusted again, or that the betrayal happened means something is wrong with you. But we are going to guide you step by step to create a new foundation of authenticity where both of you feel understood.
You will learn to openly communicate in a way that heals old wounds and prevents future betrayal. By following this blueprint, couples like you have transformed their marriage from shattered to unbreakable in under 3 months. Like this couple, they had to work through infidelity and they had a much improved communication after just 3 weeks working with us.
Something that they had been struggling previously for a long time, and they never thought they would be able to get that far as they are today.
Who's this for? The foundation of your marriage has been shaken by infidelity, and you desperately want to rebuild trust and intimacy with your partner. However, you keep getting stuck in a painful conflict. And infidelity has caused deep wounds, leaving you feeling lost, alone, and questioning if your relationship can truly heal. And if you still love your spouse with all your heart, but betrayal has created an emotionally chaos between you that seems impossible to cross without the right guidance and tools.
So, what if you're not ready yet? And just so we don't waste any of your time, this video is only for you if you are ready to proceed with your marriage and you are 100% committed to it. If you're not ready or willing to actively work through the betrayal and rebuild your marriage, continuing to watch may not be the best use of your time. Instead, watch our content on YouTube and Instagram to learn more before coming back.
And you might ask yourself, I tried so many things already, nothing worked. And hey, we hear you. You probably tried all these usual tactics like reading self help books, listening to many podcasts, and going to counseling, or just trying to give it time because you think time will heal all wounds.
And let's be honest, those approaches didn't really cut it for you, did they? That's totally normal. Most people, myself included, have been through that same disappointing cycle. But here's the real reason why those methods tend to fail. They lack a comprehensive game plan tailored specifically for unique relationship situations.
And you might be thinking, it's impossible not to blame myself or our relationship for causing the betrayal. Or maybe you're worried that talking about the painful details with a coach will be too much to bear. And hey, we get that. Those thoughts are really normal. In fact, most people feel like that at first, and it's a innate response to such devastating betrayal. But here's the thing, while those beliefs may be true right now, they're actually holding you back from healing.
With the right guidance and tools, you absolutely can work through those painful emotions and rebuild a stronger relationship. Just like how we've helped other clients to transform their marriage, we can help you too. It's not about rehashing every excruciating detail.
It's about the processing the trauma, reconnecting with your partner, and rediscovering trust and intimacy. And it's designed from the ground up to help couples like you. We basically integrated our 25 years of relationship knowledge, our 3.5 years of being coaches, and the latest fact based science to help you to process the pain of in a constructive way rather than getting stuck in the same old cycles. We literally put our lives back together using the same strategies in this ACT blueprint. And over the years, we have fine tuned our blueprint to be the most comprehensive relationship coaching framework out there. And we do that you have results even sooner and you can really implement things today. So let's walk through these 3 steps to really act on your relationship to overcome the infidelity in your marriage.
So, our pillar number one is the effective communication framework. It's important to create a new foundation of trust by helping you truly hear your partner, express yourself openly, and transform daily interactions. We provide you the exact tools, conversation frameworks, and listening techniques in our ACT Relationship Blueprint.
Imagine waking up excited to share, knowing your partner will listen with empathy, and you have the feeling of feeling heard and supported. And this is the problem. Most advice offers just generic scripts. Our program dives into communication psychology and provides customized tools to authentically express and understand each other. And you might think your partner never listens or you worry about saying the wrong thing. Our step by step framework gives you the confidence and skills to feel seen and appreciated. Imagine knowing exactly how to approach difficult conversations and laughing together again like in old times.
Our pillar number 2 is the trust and intimacy framework, which helps you overcome past hurts and starts a new foundation of trust, leading to an even stronger bond.
And you're going to move forward and you renew your commitment to your relationship, equipped with the tools to rebuild trust and connection. Imagine feeling close and connected again thanks to your improved communication and your newfound trust, setting the stage for this deep emotional talks that you're so looking for. And you will discover your own and your partner's love language, ensuring you both feel more appreciated through the hugs, through laughter, and the special moment that you've been missing.
And last but not least, our pillar number 3 is the conflict handling framework.
You control your emotions during conflicts, preventing them from escalating out of hand. By managing these emotional reactions, you will resolve disagreements more constructively. And imagine approaching conflicts from a very calm and centered state, allowing you to understand each other's perspective more clearly. You will learn to address issues directly and you build a stronger relationship foundation, viewing every conflict as an opportunity for you guys to grow. And you're going to handle conflicts more skillfully. You will discover even new possibilities together that were previously unthinkable because of all the anger and the defensiveness that was going on.
And most couples get stuck in destructive patterns, letting emotions take over during conflicts. Our program provides practical tools to break these cycles and communicate effectively. You may worry that you'll never stop fighting or that your differences are too great, but with our proven strategies, you can transform any disagreement into a chance to build trust and intimacy.
Imagine feeling confident in your ability to navigate conflicts together, knowing that each challenge is an opportunity to create more loving and a more resilient partnership. With our conflict handling framework, which is a part of the ACT Relationship Blueprint, you will gain the skills to turn arguments into stepping stone towards to a relationship of your dreams. What is next?
You have basically two options here. Option number 1 is you can implement what we talked about today. Take the information we give you in this video, try it yourself, invest time into testing. It's going to take much more time and it's probably causes more tension in your marriage as there is lots of trial and error involved, which is not only time consuming, but can potentially make things worse if you don't have the right tools and expertise.
And you have no guidance and no one to ask. That's true, isn't it?
And you most likely pay with time and with your partners and your kids' mental health.
Or option two, we can hop on a call and discuss how we can shortcut all of that. We will give you what you need based on tried and tested methods, customized. And it's very important, customized to your needs. So you can create this new foundation of trust and intimacy in 90 days instead of struggling for the next years.
So the truth is, if you don't address infidelity now, it could have severe negative impacts across many areas of your life and your relationship. The emotional chaos and lack of trust makes it difficult to connect with your partner. You may struggle with anger, sadness, and confusion. And if you have children, they sense this emotional pain and it could shape their own self image and view of relationships in unhealthy ways. You don't want them learning that mistrust and betrayal are unavoidable in partnerships. And unhealed wounds from betrayal have a way of spreading into other aspects of your world if left unaddressed. And also, your mental health may suffer from anxiety, depression, and low self worth.
And even your physical health might decline from chronic stress. And even simple social situations like meeting with friends can become anxiety inducing as trust issues take over. You have the power to process the experience and create a new foundation of your self-worth. It will require hard work, and there will be feeling of discomfort and confronting some harsh truths about yourself and your relationship. And we know that we have been there. But isn't reclaiming your confidence and your sense of security in the wholeness worth the effort?
Some of you want to save your marriage, but you keep making it optional. Every time it gets too hard, you set it back down. Staying stuck in despair and self doubt is more damaging long term. You owe it to yourself and your relationship to heal rather than allowing this betrayal to diminish you for years to come.
But hey, the past won't be easy, but the alternative is far more damaging. And this is the time to change. Don't let your fears hold you back any longer. You can reclaim your self esteem, your marriage, your health, and your overall well being. And all it takes is choosing to invest in healing and taking the courageous first step and be different. And the next thing you know, you're crushing it already. And stop selling your relationship short. Start closing the door on the trauma of infidelity. If it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. Your future self and your marriage will thank you for doing this work now. It is time to step up, dig deep, and transform your life together. This is your time.
So, if you're ready for change, book your call now. Something you will definitely gain out of this call is clarity. The clarity you need for your next steps that will have an impact on every aspect of your life and to a fulfilling, loving relationship. That's what we do here. We hope you have a wonderful day, and remember, follow us for more insights into building a stronger and happier marriage. We are definitely looking forward to meet you and hear from you and thrive in your relationship. See you
Goodbye.
soon.